طيب احنا هنوري الورك فلو بتاعنا اللي احنا بنستعمله when we have a case that we're going to go for smile design and a digital wax up, and then we're going to go for veneers and implant, whatever changes that are going to be done for the case according to the treatment plan. فهنعتبر this is my first visit, the first time that the patient came in, so I'm going to scan the patient on this visit and I'm going to take my photos and videos, and then we're going to go through the process of the treatment plan. At this time I can choose the order of scan only, and then I'm just going to scan, that's it. I don't need any more details than that. There's no special workflow for this, but I'm going to show the scan strategy that we usually use. هنفترض طبعا that I have my lowers already, and I'm going to scan. I'm going to just show you the scan on the upper, and then you're supposed to scan the bite. This is very important because when we go through full mouth rehab cases, usually there comes a point when the bite is lost, especially if you're going for an upper and a lower. If you reduce your occlusal stops, then the bite will be lost totally. But if you depend on this original scan, the bite will stay there. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do this on the next step. Okay? فنفترض ان I already scanned my lower. خلاص. I'm now going to show you the workflow to scan the upper. It's something that's important. I don't have the palette here on this model because I'm scanning a model, but it's very important for you to scan the palette also, because this is where the palette, we use it as reference for the upcoming scans that we're going to register to the new scans. طيب عادة في الورك فلو بتاعي and I start with my occlusal surface. This is very important, and I go through the full occlusal surface one shot, anteriorly to posteriorly, and then I turn palatally, and then this is the normal workflow for any trios scanner, and then I start to detect or start to scan my palatal surfaces, and then I go back to the buccal again, and this is an important step. When you go to the occlusal here, go both occlusally and labially. Look at the green box, you'll find that part of my scan is on a part that I have scanned already, and when I come to the anterior area, part is on the palatal and part is bringing up my labial surface. Why? This is the most area where you get distortion in your scan. The curvature of your upper arch, depending on how curved it is, you will get a distortion in your scan. Okay? So now I'm going back to my buccal because I already have part of my scan there. I can take the buccal down. Okay? So this is the correct workflow for a full arch scan. Okay? I'm going to delete this now, and I'm going to show you how you can get a distortion in the anterior area if you do this the wrong way. So I'm going to delete this scan, and I'm going to start scanning once more, okay, to show you the wrong way of doing this. So I'm going to scan first again, no problem at all, and then I will go palatal. You will not get distortion here because you already have part of the palate here, and it's not the tip of the curvature. What could go wrong is you could go automatically. Let's take an occlusal surface again, sorry. Automatically to the anterior area. Listen, I'm only scanning the anterior totally. I don't have a reference. Part of the green box is not at an area that I've already scanned. And you can see the distortions here. See this distortion at the core? This is what we call a distortion. Okay, see the distortion at the center? This is also a distortion. Why? Because the scanner depends on the technology of picking up images to each other. It picks up an image and then relates it to the other, to the other, to the other. So you have to give the scanner a common point where it was and where it is now. Okay? So when we're scanning the anterior area, this is the most area where you get distortions. Please do it the way as told. Go occlusal, then palatal, and then when you're on the occlusal once more, take part of the occlusal and part of the labial, part of the palatal in the anterior and part of the inside of the labial, and then also go do that the same again in the posterior, and then take the whole labial surface. Don't go for the labial surface straight away. So I'm going to scan once more the correct way of scanning, so that this would be the last time that I show this. Occlusal again, part of the inside of the palatal, occlusal, then palatal, and then when I come up again to my labial, I'm now part of the green box. Look at the green box, part of it is on the occlusal surface, the part that's already been scanned, and the part now is on the anterior, and I can start to rotate my wand if I want, going from palatal to where it incisor, so that I do not get distortion in the scan in this area. Now I can complete my labial surface, go back to occlusion, I go back and take my full radial surface. Please again, I'm reminding you to scan the palate if needed in the scans so that we can, we'll see this later on, so that we can register the scan. Okay? So given that you have already scanned also the lower and the bite, this is a complete scan, let's say, of a patient, right? So this is just only for demo surfaces purposes. I'm going to try to post process real quick now. Okay, I just hope that doesn't take that much time in the video.